To make these cream cheese brownies, you're going to want to melt 4 ounces of dark chocolate with a half a cup of unsalted butter. Go ahead and scrape that into 1 cup of sugar, 2 eggs, and a teaspoon of vanilla. Once that's nice and mixed, we can add in 1 cup of flour with a half a teaspoon of salt. You're going to want to make sure it's mixed in thoroughly, but without overmixing. Then we're going to go ahead and reserve 1 cup of this brownie batter that we'll use at the end. Set that aside, and we can scrape our brownie batter into our prepared pan. What you'll want to do is line an 8x8 or equivalent pan with some parchment paper and make sure to spread it out really evenly. It's a fairly thin layer as we're going to be adding our cream cheese filling on top. We're going to use 1 package, which is 8 ounces of very softened cream cheese, 1 egg, and 1/3 of a cup of sugar. You're going to want to whip that up till it's nice and smooth, and then go ahead and scrape that over the top. We don't want to mix this in and mix our 2 batters together, so as you're scraping it, be sure to kind of cover as much of the surface area as you can and spread very carefully to kind of urge it towards the edges versus mixing it in. Once you've done that, we can go ahead and grab that reserved brownie batter, and at about a tablespoon at a time, we're going to go ahead and drop some dollops all across the top of the cream cheese batter. Once you do this, we're going to be using either a toothpick or a bamboo skewer and just run it through the batter. You can do whatever designs you like. I just did a real simple back and forth, and it looks so pretty. Set your oven for 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're going to bake this for about 30 minutes. Once it comes out, let it cool a little, wrap in plastic, and let it set in the fridge for an hour before cutting.